Oh, that. Gotta get over it. Oh. What do you want, Jeffy? Oh, Dad, I just want to tell you something. Oh, my beakers. I want to tell you. No, Jeffy. Oh, Jeffy. Okay. Tell me right now. Okay, that Mommy's dead. Rosalina? Oh, I'm just kidding. Mom's not dead. I don't know why I want to talk to you. Because I don't have to. Okay, so what do you want to do? Since Rosalina's not here. Oh, that. I don't know. You should know, Jeffy. Jeffy, tell me right now. No, that. You're not going to like what I'm going to say to you, that. I'm going to leave. Well, at least I don't have to deal with him anymore. You know what? Yeah, I don't know. I guess I'll just... No, I don't want to sit here. I'm gonna go see what Jeffy's up to. Yeah. Wait, Jeffy? Hold up. You're supposed to think I'm dead. Oh no, Jeffy's dead. Come on. Oh, I got you, Daddy. Okay, I'm not playing that. Okay, what were you gonna do? That? You know what? Since you haven't played I don't want to play video games. You have to, Jeffy. I'm not playing with that Nerf one. Oh, Daddy. You know what this is? It's a gun that you actually fire. You fire it. You know? You fire it. Got it. That one doesn't work. There we go. You just put. Oh, you know what? Let me use this one. Yeah, I'm gonna use that one. Put it in. Yeah. Now let me cock it. There we go. Now, what you do? You look in the scope. You fire it. You know what? Let's go on here. Jeffy, come on! Why don't you want to play some video games? Because, Daddy. Because I don't have to. Oh, Jeffy, stop it. Down. What do you want to do, Jeffy? I don't know. Dada, you tell me what to do. I don't know, Jeffy. If you could actually find something to do, I would gladly do it. Then let me be annoying. Except that. Then I got to poop my pants. Except that. Then I get to make a mess of green beans. Except. Did you just fart? No, I pooped my pants. except making a green bean mess. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm going to go get that Nerf gun again. Because you can have some good times with Nerf guns. Because when I was a kid, I didn't have Nerf guns. I had, what do you say, bubble guns. Bubble guns. You had to get like 2 packs of, you had to get 2 packs of it. You had to get 2 packs of it. 2 packs. And I couldn't, and I had to do that if I wanted to play as a kid. So, there's the gun. Oh! Jeffy, what was that for? That hurt! Well, it's a Nerf gun, Daddy. It's supposed to. No, it's not supposed to. It's not supposed to. Ow! Okay, Jeffy, stop it. Hey, Daddy, you shouldn't have gave me the Nerf gun in the first place. Okay. Yeah, I shouldn't have done that. Yeah, but too late, Daddy. Get the pull in. There we go. Yes.